Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out your videos in Capcut on PC. So it's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So first of all, just open your Capcut and import and drag the video in your timeline that you want to edit. And after that, just click on the video, select the video from your timeline, and in the video setting, just place a keyframe at the beginning of the video, and after a few seconds just place another keyframe and just repeat the process for 2-3 times as I'm showing in the video. And after that, I'm also gonna reduce the duration of the overall video, and after that just leave the first keyframe of the video and click on the second keyframe of the video, and here resize the video and scale it and do it around 250 or according to your liking. And after that, at the next keyframe, just reduce the scale of the video just like that. Yeah, so now we're gonna play the video. Yes, so as you can see, in the beginning of the video is zooming in, and after that it is zooming out. Yeah, so this is how simple it is to zoom in and zoom out your video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.